Here we come to the observatory tower penthouse elevator at the top of the Rock General Electric building in New York City, New York. These are Schindler. What floor? Does this work? Oh, it does. We're gonna go to 70. That's the restroom. Oh, look at this. There's a water fountain right there. It's got a side door too. Get a quick cab view. It's going up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video on 69. Have a great day. I'll get a better cafe this time. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the camera here because people are getting on, so that'll be it.